Hey, all my backpacker friends. Are you as frustrated as I am about not being able to get out into the hills with all this new equipment that we got last year at great Black Friday sales? Well, me too. But that can't stop me. I'm going to set it up here in my backyard and I'm going to sleep in it tonight. And it's supposed to rain.
Hey there, ladies. I'm known as Late Bloom Hiker. If you like these videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell.
Since I have all this camping gear, backpacking gear, I'm not able to use, I'm going to play with it, and you get to play along. First off, I'm going to set up my new Big Agnes Tiger Wall tent. Of things. First of all, the rain fly has a front and a back. There are seams that correspond with the poles underneath. The other thing, if you noticed, I had a little uh-oh on the other side setting up the vestibule. I set this up in a place where there's a rock and I cannot to put a stake into the ground. And I had to improvise. I don't have a big rock for that corner, so I used a plant instead. Hey, it's a garden. You have to use what's at hand. I also learned that this is a little confusing to me at first. This is the corner of the vestibule where you stake it out. And I thought, well, why are there two lines to stake it out? They're so ingenious. If you stake with the right-hand side, then when you open the vestibule, it'll be open to the door where you crawl in and out. If you hook it to the other side, then the vestibule opens that way. And I imagine if it's windy and you want some circulation, it's nice to be able to have that vestibule open either way. There she is, all set up and ready for tonight. And just in the nick of time because it's starting to sprinkle. It's about 10 o'clock and it's time for bed. I'm all tucked in my new Tiger Well tent and it's already just very nice. Of course, it's nice outside too. It hasn't started raining, but who knows? It's supposed to. I'm going to be nice and toasty warm, I can tell already from my quilt. I've only been tucked in a few minutes and I'm already warming up. Light breeze. I'm looking forward to the rain, frankly. I want to see how well my tent does in the rain. More in the morning. Good morning. I'm all gunked up, but all right, my first night in my new tent. All is high and dry. It's held up really well, although we didn't have a lot of wind, so yeah, morning gunk. I need a cup of coffee. That'd be nice. But you can hear the rain. But it's about 6, a little bit after 6 now, and now the rain is getting heavier. of course. My only mishap was when I took my shoes off last night. I did not bring them inside, and one shoe had a toe outside the vestibule. That's a lesson I knew better. I don't know why, just didn't even think about it. I was so excited to get inside and get all bundled up. My quilt worked great. I do use the straps under the quilt so that it wraps around the pad. That way I can toss and turn and the pad stays in place. And I don't get all twisted up in a sleeping bag like I have in the past. That's why I was very willing to try a quilt. The sleeping bags were like, I was ending up like a cinnamon twist. Anyway, this is interesting. Wonder how long the rain, I guess it's forecast all day. But I'm cozy.
There you have it, ladies. My first night in the new Tiger Wall tent and my REI Magma quilt. If you enjoyed the video, then hit subscribe and the little bell and be notified when my next episode I share with you my 20-year journey to the PCT.